Hi, I'm Not Full Friday from Greytone Music. Hong Kong represent, May Full represent, I'm saying. 而家咯 like right now. 嗯 I don't know. 我由中意 rap 開始 rap 咯。Like I started rap like because I love rap and yeah. Oh, oh yeah, I have heard uh Panda is the same gang with BY. Um, and yeah, I love that. I'm appreciated with the uh aesthetic and what they're thinking about with like the whole thing. And yeah, 我知你知嘅。I know you know it. I know you know it. 我知你哋都知嘅。而家咁樣咯。You know what? Like, Hong Kong is getting cold right now, and everyone should getting warm and 着多啲衫，暖啲，保暖啲，然後唔好要我擔心咯，各位知唔知啊？嗯。妖，我自己寫啲廣東話，啲香港人咧，即係香港人嗰啲極度封鎖嘅嗰啲思想咧，讚我一句都唔讚嘅，好苛刻㗎，你仲點敢諗咁遠啊？講真係咪啊？即係我有時咧，真係好鬼羨慕人哋嗰啲 industry 咧，即係人哋已經個配套個系統 我唔想講呢啲嘢，真係好撚悶。我只係想講咧，即係今晚各位，冬天要食羊腩煲。冬天要食羊腩煲，我想食羊腩煲咯而家。Like I'm serious about like I'm so excited. I'm exciting with like I'm gonna saving like cat all around me. Like 我要養貓咯，係我要養啲貓。跟住我買咗好多嘅貓糧啦，兩款啦，跟住然後有貓草啊，and then 我買咗啲架啊，擺晒我間房，但係咧仲未養到咯。咁啊，即係我諗嗰個時間咧會到嘅，係咯，就好似我第二隻碟咁樣咧，個時間要到咧，佢會到嘅。但係你要我點樣答你咧？就我希望咧會係。大概有10萬個人同我講，哇，好中意你，好想快啲聽你啲新歌。我 feel 到咧，我 feel 到咧，我 feel 到咧，咁我就出噶啦，咁樣咯，即係，但係暫時都係咁。新世界公園，我只能夠講係會刷新晒你哋所有人對廣東話嘅 aesthetic 審美，疲勞噶啦，疲勞噶啦，我哋疲勞噶啦，呢度。心情好嘅話32首咯，心情唔好就25首咯，係咯。有多啲錢，有多啲資源，有多啲人捐錢嘅話就60首咯，係咯。咁而家資源所限就淨可以整200首咯，我都唔知啊。但係冇錢係都幾 major 嘅課題嚟嘅，我諗個個都一樣。屌，又係呢啲。like พูดจริงนะผมคิดว่าผมอยากจะมีเวลาที่คุยกับเพื่อนกับภาษาไทยแต่ว่าอืมlike I didn't have time. I didn't have time. Like I got no vision. Like 你哋知㗎，你哋知㗎，你哋一定知道我諗緊啲咩嘅，係啊。但係好多時候就，我希望所有人都唔好俾咁多問題我咯，我會自己揾到答案嗰啲人嚟嘅，係啊。咁啊，我會擁抱呢個世界，呢個世界都會擁抱我。你知㗎，我都知，你都知。着暖啲各位，好撚凍而家，and 好凍啊，好攰，好多感受，都係咁啫嘛，係咪啊？都係咁啫嘛，哎呦，吊住過咯，得嘅，OK，好啦，拜拜啦。